how to fix iPhone 13 camera is blurry. So let's get started. First thing first, gently wipe the camera lens with a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any smudges, dirt or debris. After you do that, simply restart your iPhone. Restart the device by pressing and holding the power button and the volume button on iPhone 13 or later until this slider appears and slide to power off, then turn your iPhone back on. After that, all you have to do is go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for the General option available and tap on it. Inside General, tap on the Software Update option available there and make sure that your iPhone is running latest version of iOS. If there is any update or install option available, simply tap on it and install it. Now again, go back to the Settings app and tap on the General again. Inside General, scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. Resetting all settings can sometimes resolve software related issues. This will reset system settings but won't delete your data. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.